A potentially fatal infection is making its way around Ionia County. 4 cases of whooping cough have been confirmed in babies since November 30th. That's according to the Ionia County Health Department. The infected babies range in age from 3 to 17 months. Whooping cough in infants is especially dangerous because it can lead to pneumonia, apnea, seizures, and brain damage. There is a vaccine for whooping cough, but children are not considered fully immunized until their 5th vaccination at age 4 or 5. If you think you've been exposed, you should see a doctor right away.